Good morning and welcome back on this Wednesday. We're about halfway through the week here and waking up to some fresh snowfall. On the radar behind me, you can see the snow kind of moving through north central Montana, just east of Lewistown here around Glasgow and Glendive around Great Falls. A little bit of snowfall in Great Falls and some of the surrounding areas. But if we move down towards the capital, things are kind of quiet right now. And I actually checked outside because we know the radar doesn't always tell the whole story of what's going on in the valley itself. But checked outside, it's not snowing here at the station, but we did get some snowfall overnight. Now check out this band of snowfall moving through Jordan and up towards Wolf Point right now. That's a little bit stronger than it is around our area, so still some snowfall moving through this morning for a couple of spots, but not necessarily for the Helena Valley. Now what I'm kind of really concerned with again today is this wind chill advisory, and if you've been following the weather for the last few days, this will come as no surprise. So it has actually been extended till tomorrow morning because we are going to have those extremely cold temperatures overnight tonight and tomorrow morning as well, and still dealing with some wind chills this morning as well. So temperatures are below zero again this morning. This has been kind of a familiar sight here, really kind of settling in to these below zero temperatures in the morning. The actual air temperature in Great Falls right now, 9 below zero. In the capital city, 4 below zero, but with the wind chill, capital city feels more like 20 below. So another day of bundling up, wearing all those layers that you can grab before you head out the door. I consistently forget a scarf and regret it every day, so don't make that same mistake because it is really, really cold out there. And especially today, if you have to scrape your car off, you're going to have to be outside a little bit longer. But if you're sick of scraping your car off, the good news is we are going to get a slight break from the snowfall. So you can see the clouds starting to clear by overnight tonight, but that's also going to mean much colder temperatures for tomorrow as well. When we don't have that cloud cover to hold in the heat, things just radiate out. So we're going to be very cold overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. But the good news is we're going to get a break from the snow if you are ready for a little bit of an easier commute tomorrow morning. However, it's not going to be here for very long. We have some more snowfall coming in Friday. You can see some of that starting early Friday morning in the mountains. But what we're really concerned with is Friday night here. So late Friday evening, that's going to start and come from our northwest. So areas in north central Montana are going to get that a little bit earlier than other parts of the state, but it's looking like a snowy weekend out there. Saturday, that continued snowfall, and then Sunday into the beginning of next week, that is going to continue. So lots of snowfall here for the next few days, plus those sub-zero temperatures coming back into play for the weekend and into the beginning of next week. So we will get a little bit of a break for tomorrow and Friday, things warming up slightly with a bit more sunshine, but it's not going to be here for very long. Today is going to be similar to yesterday, below freezing highs, a high of 1 below today in the capital city, a high of 7 below in Great Falls. We are looking at a very, very chilly day here. Now check out the temperature trend here over the next few days. Tomorrow warming up above zero for the high. Friday is going to be probably the nicest day of the week here, and then we're back down to those single-digit highs in Helena, below zero highs in Great Falls. Really just a chilly couple of days. Now turning the corner, I wanted to do a weather trivia question that reminds people that summer is coming back. What's the hottest temperature ever recorded in the world? There's a couple of choices there. 149 degrees, 134, 122, or 115. Jacob, do you have a guess?
Well, I have a guess, but I'm going to save it until we find out the real answer, if that's okay.
Okay. Put your thinking caps on.
All right, will do, Katie. Thank you.